phone na hasam makwa baba ti he odwumede shronko e wo top GTV so eye mo somfo efeje se na me ne de bia no me na me gibre na me de ti he odwumede ebremu ti he to so no eye top G multimedia ne so mase ma me ti me de dwumede shronko e ba mo akwai top G multimedia se omoye and am able to say large format printing almost as your graphic designing almost as your secretarial services. You take your photo shoots, video coverage, or your program, or your graduation, or worry, or to badin. Program bia or per se baby take coverage ma bia. Top G multimedia say omudi hujuma. Almost science so emani born air for mouth. Now wait me aye na we nya we stick and be so SCA. Isan say na say no nema mo aye din pid. Top G multimedia apa say ye be nema we nyina ma fofo na ama program na say event no so ayefe kama ye chi akwa ma odokọ kwashima akwa ni so obetimi so afa ye number say twegu wo screen so na wa frɛ ye beji wo fɛ wo so dudu na ye no wedding kita ho kama na ene mo ma ye hwɛ ye ti he odwumedie ye ne ade ye be kasa afa ho ya ade a dane da nyina ye tin ho asɛm na asɛ ya kasa ye experience bi eno nene ye be di ho nkomo na enye hwe sɛ ye be kasa afa headache ho yare a ka no headache anada ye twifo ye ka no tipa ye no eno ho asɛm nene ye beka na se ye ka headache a broni etwe mu say it's a painful sensation in part of the head ranging from sharp to dull pain that may occur with other symptoms ye try tipa ye se obeti yaw bua yaw na no hweda na din na so ye yaw a eta esi ewo nipadua ni etinim etimi so ede isunsuanso bone ebre ni pedua akwa na aka no ye no ni tipaye nti obu o se miti ya me ya miti pae me ni nyina no ewo isunsuanso ewo de ede ba ene ne ama ye betimi de aya ahwa ebesi eno so ano kwan nti eno bi na ene ye behwe na ya hwe definition anasa ni twetwe mu na ye behwe ne ama etimi de sa tipaye eba anasa ne de headache eba broni ka say causes of headache eno ena ye behwe de di kan no ye lack of sleep say has a lack of sleep obi a on da yi anase hours anase don share what so de da no onya sa hours no enfanda obi o simiti nda nche meda peace obi o da kaka na ni so atete no na wasan asori akona adwuma so eno ade etime de headache anase tipaye ebre ni pedwa no ti obi o ho a ontimi nda papa nyina causes of headache and anxiety paye no recommended say ni pedwa no enya at least 9-hour rest in a day uye ejuma na ko ejuma so a wacha na say one da na wenya home kwa no 9 hours dey so otimi efa mu eda enye say obeda 9 hours na to so da bi obetimi ada for at least 3 hours o sorry a why ejuma kakra you continue your rest after some time oda also under kakra maximum minimum 9 hours odna good sleeper and also eboa esi tipaya na say headache no anokwan afi so de di ho ne loud noise na aboni friend loud noise ye kan ye bi because mo aye dede bebre ana say dede anu odin ko echi ai say bia ya mount speakers ana say enyama producing large sounds na boom and say enyum ana de pa no etime so edit paye eba esan say the cells in the brain react to sa edede na no and so etime results in headache and say tipaye efi sa source na advisable say obetwe ho fi ho esan say also one major for ade a cause headache and say tipaye obi wo ho a oye ejuma ebre na so tipaye na so onyako baby adede wo penalty asha say pie no eno so cause of headache and say tipaye no so after the di ho no so ye stress the aboni kind of stress ye friend ye before kind of obre obo ho a waye ejuma saa wabre and ebo ho a stress no it's not just about physical you can physical stress say wako ejuma so obu also or fa emotional stress bi mu ebia na wa adwindwin bi mu ana say or de no akoto situation bi mu ana bibia to no ho adwendwen so timi e cause sa stress a ye kan ye what stress ahodo bebre your physical stress your psychological stress ni nyina no e ka ho etimi ma wonya tipaye obo odwendwen na ma bi ho dodo etimi nja no tipaye obo also with the physical stress no okọ ni nyuma so a oye edwuma ma ne bros ana so oye edwuma den pa eno so falling under stress ya etimi ja tipaye ana say headache e ma ni pedua no afei so yen hwe alcohol excessive alcohol etimi so e ma tipaye sebe obo onom sa bebre onom sa we na sa oda obro na oda on sorry na eja ni tipaye I just say alcohol no level na intake na aye too much e woni pedua nim eno to timi ja so aso boni etimi ja otipaye headache and I say other body pains I no so e brain ni pedua na ho odin ase and I say e ma wonya ho odin e fa nye wonya ma esese woye afei so de di ho ye skipped meals e ka skipped meals a se wadwane a obedi you can say you did it 3 times a day. Your breakfast, your lunch, your supper. The breakfast and you didn't napa, lunch and you didn't area, and a supper na dinner you didn't numri. And pain pee no, a bimu, a binipa bimu, a san a juma, and I say, and nama 1 or 2 be at Missy or 1 community, or born to me the breakfast, into your chair area. Now we did it, and I say, Obi or hold me train the morning and now we did it in numri. And also ya there it may cause a headache and I said tipaye no esan say ni pedua no ehia eduane na dia operate and I said there ye nnuma akoma no ehia nsuo ehia enuane no vitamins e wo enuane mu e de ama ni pedua na ma ne nya ahoɔden nti se saa enuane ana say so ya nkɔ ni pedua yi mu a ni pedua no entimi nya ahoɔden eno so timi de sunsu aso bɔ ni brain ni pedua no a ebi ni headache and tipaye a ye ka ho asɛmi I recommended say send your SSA would did no and a power do breakfast, a via do lunch, and you may do supper. Now and also so abwa a society pie and no quine. Obo how see me dear na me tip pie and as a boy accommodate the cacape, none tip pie no I na a courses or so need journey. Now would did now with me now holding. I think so. I dare bonify dehydration as so it me cause headache and I said pie. Dehydration actually dehydration na I just say in so ni unipa duanim and your body lacks enough or adequate water. Your body lacks enough or adequate water. And so I say the morning na wono me so na ni peduane so enya ahoden na etimi ene djuma because once your body is dehydrated parts or organs of the body no find it very difficult to function very well. Example is the heart. Bakumani here, clean water, clean and safe water to operate into more in your daytime. I was told to minimum more of water, and so dear, I was told to minimum more excess of water because it also so a flash out unnecessary in your mewoni pejanim and money paper, and also so another cause of headache and anxiety piano. Then I share nativity pie baby, a better types of headaches. There were types of headaches, and yes, I would tip pie whilst you meet pie, me will see me tip pie no, Darby. Sana and Satan yan ya peno, Sana Nema, egu ahodo, it's a near beshe types of headache no. The kind your migraine, you has a migraine, a pain in the face or neck. Migraine tip pie no, it normally happens, and as a tire winning, as I about con. It's me ASR areas too. You will name Diano about home and no any migraine. It may last for a period of 4 to 72 hours. So when you migraine, it may last for 4 to 72 hours. It's also a type of headache. It's also types no. So that has symptoms where you know say this is a migraine and I say it is another type of headache. So the other man who say a migraine is that it normally affects your face and comes towards your neck, and then it can last from 4 to 72 hours, and no any migraine no. After so you have the next type of headache. You what they find tension. No dear a dull pain. I say to me ya boko. I say ya say ya. Ha! It happens on the side of the head. It's me uti fa kakra esan so project pressure eba o forehead and as ultimate feel pain on forehead eno any migraine no sorry eno any tension no tension headache no affect the side of your head and then comes to your forehead and also it may last from 30 minutes to several hours. So unasa tension headache bia very recommended say ube hu doctor and ube hu pharmacist cause symptoms no it may take you from 30 minutes to more and then you will need medical attention to prevent it from affecting other parts of your body. After you the next one, sinus no. Sinus a pain in the face. Sinus headache no. A mouth paiwa maniba wenim nina. It may affect your eye, weni, and I say ears wason. A side to me about forehead, a mouth forehead, we out to say uti or about or moment so and no. A sound so emma wenim swelling in the face. Sinus mima wenim it paya back with mima wenim sinus. It's you learn the symptoms, no, then you identify which one you fall into anytime you show any of the symptoms. And no never who say me tea sinus pain and as me tea tension and as me tea migraine. So no. You better the next one and know your friend cluster and no severe pain in one side of the head. Usually around the eye, severe pain around the neck, around the head, usually on the left side of the head, usually on the left side of the head. After so it's me, emma weni, eya. And then one difference between tension no and cluster no, because they have similarities, they all happen on one side of the head, but with cluster no, it is characterized by a runny nose. What is a utifani or ya? Bible says, "Sabi unhimu prone so." And when the mama say you have the cluster type of headache, into share symptoms see, and I say, "Nyama bobosi." Now when category our headache no falling under. Now when nyama obey, and I say the necessary action to take. Normally no, sa signs ya. Meant na fear and case ebe cause symptoms may be ebe to so symptoms now will show me leading to another form of illness. It sounds like once the head gets affected, it can transfer the pain to other parts of the body. So you better share how to treat headache and as a treatment no. Nema unya headache e was say na amfa so boni ambre oni pejua na say wo hunama kwa na akane so. Dedi kind no advisable say obenom more water, you drink more water in so ya dia ehia oni pejua pa so ya there here because a flash out unwanted substances and a sign boosty immunity a boost immune system oni pejua kwa na ejina ho say sojani no ana osrani no nso eboa manage ni edi na djuma say dey say any say dey fatter. So very recommended say ubenu nso throughout your day. Just don't time it. No means so warm water onuma and especially more hydrated. When you are hydrated a boy prevent headaches, headaches if you ho. After so the second one is to visit your pharmacist for prescribed medicines. Recommended and I say advisable say what is a witia or ya na pain no it's unbearable and I say ya anu ya dendo dwa ya stress don't self-medicate, don't do self-medication. Men ka say o me tia me anti me kwotete dori and I say me no oje dori dabi. Self-medication is not the best thing. So o feel headache here, make sure so be call pharmacist and I say o doctor. Now I prescribe a drama and I watch a draw bedroom because sometimes no painkillers and anema yenum edijai or yawa yeto yetinum no enye mani pejano obi wo ho a ulcer painkiller na wakofa anum no enye ma obi wo ulcer obi wo high blood pressure painkiller na onum ne enye ma sa atibia na owo mu no ba esan se anko hu doctor and a pharmacist amana prescribe edro nti obenom na afide no so akofa sunsuaso bone abrani ni pedua no nti na diet to move say if you experience any bad symptom and I say anything funny in your health just go see your doctor ko hu doctor and now ko pharmacy now describe say na area on the they are the right people to prescribe medicines in say oh asa mesisi me no medrowe and I say obisi me no medrowe don't do self medication after so you should have enough rest wakoto edro and wako hu doctor abana doctor ama we do say oh no edro na enza or headache no advice I would say obenya enough rest enough sleep oda ye and ka say oda 1 hour so ya koye adwumaden for 12 hours no and yes sir you don't have to stress the body too much it's not say oh brebe and now unya the friend stress na and also so ma unya headache no so I recommend that say obenya good sleep afi onu mindro na o da ye ni so you need to eat healthy I was say o di aduane pa aduane a enuane no vitamins fiber ene de kika ho ni na e wo mebeboa e boost your system no na akwantia pain and other things that may affect body no nti I recommend that say obedi fruits be to say mango pawpaw pineapple grapes apple and a whole lot. There are varieties of them. Your fruits are would be brave. I recommend that say obedi fruits during the daytime and I say the morning and at least when they are the fruits me and son. Na no so emboa na ma oni pedua no engina brani na nya ahode se na yare bia attack immune system na etimi akun etia no afa so very good so obedi seeds be to say your sesame seeds, your cinnamon seeds, your seeds are what be and also so very good. Obey made the almond seeds, obey made the cashew nuts and all other nuts, and also say very good, very vital for building a strong body and then a strong immune system. Sana mani na sa what idea ebema wenya ahoden ebema nipedua no nya ahoden amana ko etia nya renketen ketia ebe sorry etia nipedua ni na and then most importantly no live a positive life obi wo ho a oni any of such symptoms say boy na so always odwen kwofon wa adwinfi it is very good say you live a clean and positive life wa adwimu ye fine you don't fall sick often. It is one therapy I was practice very good. Dream papa. Don't think evil for people. Live a positive and a clear mind. Don't take things so hardly. Just let things go. Let things flow on the normal way. And also so ever wow. Headache if you one say casa and so no and also see idea eboa tipaye if you you have a lot of things in you odi na show mu a etimi multiply and also so ade ba ko say yehwe na yesi anokwan eno enti na meje bre na mede tea health jumediation queen ebro minim say headache asema yake wa famu aba na say we experiences that headache and tipaye a be kwa ko hu pharmacist and our doctors na ye kan no na wa prescribe the right medicine amount na wanum na we nya ahoden and also make sure the right thing to do how to eat a balanced meal any de keka ho nyina na we di na we nya ahoden shronko ti hoju media shronko top G multimedia na so masema me de bremu top G multimedia for say ya abedin to say we bi we dwuma na pese ye bo nyama ho de roma say we your program me pese ye be take live coverage ma je wo ho ye be ama fofo o say ye secretarial services ma e bia we bi we dwuma pese ye designing ma anything designing anything printing ye nyina bi top G multimedia omo na mo so ma se ma me de ti hoju media ibrel say o pese wo so bo adwumedia bia na o pese won sponsor adwumedia a obetimi afa ye number say twegu wo screen so na wa free they know obedi nkita won kama ye bo so de eda form kra na say bia pese otutu wana momba na oni ye di nkomo one on one so ye chi kwan de enya yewa akwan kra yewo odoko kwashima akwan ne so ubenya yewo odoko kwashima akwan ne so eho na Top G Multimedia yewo yebehwe wenim se obeba na odi abedi nkomo yebeju ofel so dodo T Health, your health our priority mosomfo efeje na medebremu medamo asese mo jebre team that's it yebeshia